Good morning, leaders, and welcome to week 4. We are in a 6-week course, so we are chugging along, and you have made it past the halfway point, so congratulations. Just a quick reminder to encourage you to stay focused as we continue to progress through the course and things move quickly. Hopefully you are engaging every Monday when the new learning modules open to review the coursework there, to mark your due dates, and to be proactive, to work every single day, 20 minutes here, 30 minutes there, to get the assignments completed in order and to the best of your ability. Keep in mind that technology, remember, as we have discussed, is not a reason for submitting late work. So make sure that you're allowing yourself plenty of time to get assignments completed. I suggest during the week so that you are not left on the weekend without the ability to resolve any problems you might need from your professors. So make sure that you're using every single learning page in the learning modules every week, that you're reviewing everything, that you're taking great notes so that you can be prepared for all of the assessments coming your way. So this week we have 3 chapters to cover. Chapter 9, Embracing Diversity and Inclusion. Chapter 10, Listening to Outgroup Members. And Chapter 11, Managing Conflict. Lots of important information in these chapters. As you can imagine, from a leadership perspective, we have a responsibility to embrace diversity and inclusion, to understand what diversity means and to acknowledge difference, not turn away from it, not ignore it, not pretend it's not there, to include it for all of the reasons that are important because ethically it matters, but also we understand innovation is derived from those differences. Understanding how outgroups form, meaning people who do not feel that they are a part of the integrated group, and learning to address those issues in a way that makes sense, in a way that brings people together. And then finally, managing conflict. This is a big one, right? Understanding that conflict is a natural part of relationships. And since leadership is about relationships, we are going to encounter conflict. That does not mean bad. Conflict means it's an opportunity for understanding. So if we know that, how do we move through it in the best way that we can and learn to strategize through those problems? Okay, so you're going to be learning all of that this week in addition to continuing to work on your e-portfolio. Last week, you completed the first draft of the e-portfolio. Hopefully you've completed that and turned it in for full credit. Remember that this is an important assignment, and most everything that's included in the e-portfolio are assignments we have already completed in class. So make sure you're taking your time through it. Make sure you're really reviewing all of the information in the e-portfolio reference module, which is right underneath week 4's module in Canvas, okay? Remember that I have office hours on Tuesday mornings via Zoom. Make sure that you come and see me if you have questions. Once more, I just want to remind you, this is a 2000 level class, meaning this is a higher, more sophisticated class where you are making sure that you are really delving into the coursework, and when you are asked to give your responses or your feedback, that you should be really responding at the college level to the best of your ability. I know that you can do this work. I believe in you. Let me know if you need me.